Building a sustainable world begins with the awareness that every action we take, or choose not to take, affects our health, resource, and environment. At EPSCO, we are not just dreaming of this world, we are actively building it.
Sustainability is a large topic, and the importance here is that we have the right aptitude to start the process from the beginning, to think on everything, every activity which we are going to perform, what's its impact going to be on that environment, immediate, medium term, and long term, and what are the different things we're going to do. So we need to train every person, employee, and the client to think on those lines, to try and identify what those issues could be. Now it could be related to health, it could be immediately long-term health, it could be related to carbon footprint, at least because of the resources we utilize, it could be about energy that went into it, and what is the impact it's going to have. So we'll have to improve our efficiencies in whatever we do. We'll have to have enough data to monitor the impact, results, and utilization of what we have done. From the simple activity of an air conditioning system which consumes energy, which could impact health and energy cost and carbon footprint, to other hazardous materials which are in the building, which will have immediate or a medium or long-term impact on what we are using, and how we're going to deal with it, how we're going to protect the environment from then on. So all these aspects have to be thought, documented, monitored, data collected, and quantified. How much we have made a difference, how much has the impact on the environment been saved on, or on the human health benefited, or the environment benefited from it. And unless we do that, we cannot proceed. So now that has to be the thought process of every person involved in the operation. Because at every point, at every level, as simple as from the point of the person who's doing the housekeeping, who's the detergent he has used, is an important factor which will affect. And where did that detergent go? Did it go into our STP plant, which damaged the STP plant and which did not work properly? So there's small things. So that even the janitor has to be involved in a thought process, and that quantified and data to be used. So sustainability is not a single responsibility, it's a full organizational responsibility. You could say the country's responsibility, and that thought process can only come through exposure, education, talking about it, recording it, because unless you record it, you don't know how big the problem is. And you will not only not know the problem, you will not be able to quantify what you've been able to create a positive impact or not in doing so. So in every activity EPSCO is now planning or has been doing, is we're trying to quantify that, and we're trying to improve our own efficiencies and education, so that each activity has some impact, some positive impact, while we are providing a solution.